Sichuan Jhangcha duck. A delicious Chinese, Sichuan, main course recipe. This recipe serves 4 to 6 servings. Preparation takes about 24 hours, includes marinating. And cooking takes around 2 hours 30 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 1 piece whole duck, 3 tablespoons Shaoxing rice wine, 2 tablespoons Sichuan peppercorns, 3 tablespoons kosher salt, 2-inch piece ginger, 4 stalk scallions, 3 whole star anise, a half cup black tea leaves, a half cup uncooked white rice, a quarter cup brown sugar. Step 1. Toast the Sichuan peppercorns and salt in a dry wok over medium heat until the salt turns slightly off-white and the peppercorns are highly fragrant. Grind them into a coarse powder using a mortar and pestle. Step 2. Rub the duck inside and out with Shaoxing wine. Then, rub the toasted salt and pepper mixture thoroughly over the skin and inside the cavity. Stuff the cavity with smashed ginger, scallions, and star anise. Step 3. Place the duck in a large dish, cover with plastic wrap, and refrigerate for at least 12 hours, preferably 24. This allows the flavors to penetrate deep into the bone. Step 4. Prepare a steamer. Place the duck on a heat-proof plate and steam over high heat for 60 to 70 minutes until the meat is tender but not falling off the bone. Drain any rendered fat and liquid, then pat the duck completely dry. Step 5. Line a heavy wok or rolled pot with heavy-duty aluminum foil. Mix the tea leaves, rice, brown sugar, cinnamon, and orange peel, and spread this mixture over the foil. Step 6. Place a wire rack over the smoking mixture. Position the dried duck on the rack. Cover the wok with a tight-fitting lid. Seal the edges with damp towels if necessary to prevent smoke from escaping. Step 7. Turn the heat to high. Once you see a thin wisp of smoke escaping, smoke the duck for 10 to 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it sit, covered, for another 10 minutes to absorb the tea spirit. Step 8. Remove the duck and let it air dry for 30 minutes. This step is crucial for achieving a crispy skin during the final fry. Step 9. Heat the frying oil in a clean wok to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Carefully lower the duck into the oil or use a latlet to constantly pour hot oil over the duck skin. Step 10. Fry for 3 to 5 minutes until the skin is a deep, glistening mahogany and exceptionally crispy. Be careful not to burn the sugar residue from the smoking process. Step 11. Drain the duck on a wire rack for 5 minutes. Brush lightly with sesame oil for extra shine and aroma. Step 12. Carve the duck into bite-sized pieces using a heavy cleaver, ensuring each piece has a bit of skin and meat. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.